All right, if you're a professional trying to climb the ladder or build your brand, you've probably kicked this question around in your head more than once. Is LinkedIn Premium actually worth the money? Well, today we're going to tackle that head on and figure it out together.
Yeah, this is the big one, isn't it? It's a choice staring down millions of us. That monthly cost can definitely make you pause. But then you see all those promised features. So, what's the deal? Is it a game changing career investment or just a pricey subscription you'll forget about?
Look, I'm not here to give you a simple yes or no. That wouldn't be very helpful, right? Instead, over the next few minutes, we're going to give you a framework, a way of thinking about this, so you can make the absolute best decision for your career goals. Okay, so first things first. Before we even think about spending a dime, we've got to set a baseline. We need to understand just how powerful the tools are that LinkedIn gives you completely for free. The free account is your bedrock. It's surprisingly robust. You can build out a killer profile, connect with a massive network, up to 30,000 people, message all your direct connections, and of course, search and apply for jobs. You even get a tiny little peek at the last few people who've checked you out. Honestly, for a lot of people, this is plenty. So, if the free version is already that good, why would anyone pay for premium? That's where we get to the heart of it. This is where you decide if you need to unlock a whole new level of strategic advantage. Here's a good way to think about it. The free account gives you a map. It's a good map, it shows you the roads. But the premium account, that's like a GPS with live traffic updates, satellite view, and the best shortcuts. It's built to get rid of those limits and give you the deep dive analytics you need to be way more strategic.
And this is absolutely crucial. Premium isn't a one size fits all thing, it's actually a whole suite of different products. Are you actively on the job hunt? Then Premium Career is probably your jam. Are you a consultant or a solopreneur trying to build your business? Premium Business is for you. And if you're a sales pro hunting for leads, well, Sales Navigator is basically your secret weapon. The real value comes from matching the right tier to your specific goal.
All right, so let's say you've picked your path. What exclusive, shiny new tools do you actually get? Come on, let's open up this premium toolkit and see what's inside.
First up is the legendary InMail. This is your golden ticket. It's the feature that lets you slide right past the connect button and land directly in the inbox of almost anyone. Recruiters, hiring managers, potential clients, you name it.
And it's not just talk. The numbers really back this up. A smart, well-written email is way, way more effective than just a random cold email. And why is that? Well, it's all about context. It shows up within a professional network they already trust, which signals you're serious and you've done your homework. Now let's keep digging, because a single tool can be completely different depending on your subscription level. A perfect example of this is the Who's Viewed Your Profile feature. With the free account, you get this tiny rotating list of the last 5 people who dropped by. It's interesting, but that's about it. But with premium, boom, you unlock the entire guest list for the last 90 days. And this isn't just about stroking your ego, this is a list of warm leads. It's pure gold. You see exactly who's interested in you, where they work, and what they do. And for you job seekers out there, this is where premium can feel like a cheat code. It's like getting an inside scoop on the competition. You can see how you stack up against other applicants, what skills they have that you might be missing, and you can even get a featured applicant badge that literally pushes your application to the top of the pile for recruiters. That's a huge advantage. And finally, there's the open profile feature. Think of this like flipping on the neon Open for Business sign in your digital shop window. When you turn this on, you're telling the world, hey, I'm open to opportunities. It lets anyone on LinkedIn message you for free, which turns your profile into a powerful magnet for inbound leads. Okay, so having a fancy toolbox is great, but if you don't know how to use the hammer, what's the point? Now let's shift from the what to the how. Let's talk strategy and how the pros really get results. Look, don't just blast out generic in-mails. That is a one-way ticket to being ignored. Instead, use a simple framework like HEART. Start with a personal hook. Show some empathy. Show you get their world. Briefly establish your authority. Make a simple, low-pressure request. And always, always end with thanks. It's a formula that respects their time and gets replies. And remember, your work isn't done once you hit send. You gotta play the long game. A smart content strategy keeps you on everyone's radar. Try to balance your posts. Spend some time giving real value with tips and guides, sometime building your brand, and sometime just sparking a conversation with polls and questions. This is how you become a magnet for opportunity. Okay, we've talked tools, we've talked tactics, but now we get to the bottom line, the part that really matters. how do you know if it was actually worth the money? Let's talk ROI, return on investment. You can't just go by a feeling on this one. You need cold, hard data. You have to be able to draw a straight line from that monthly fee to real, tangible results. So, what exactly should you be tracking? Here's a simple dashboard you can build for yourself. Track your visibility. Are more people viewing your profile? Monitor your outreach. Are people actually responding to your emails? Measure your network growth. Are you connecting with the right people? And most importantly, track your conversions. That means interview invites, client leads, sales, the stuff that really moves the needle. That's how you prove the ROI. So, we're back where we started. Is LinkedIn Premium worth it? The answer, as you can see, isn't a simple yes or no. The real answer lies in your goals, your strategy, and your commitment to using these tools the right way. The platform is there. Your network is waiting. The only question left is, what's your next move?